Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear RAM cache in a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our settings application, and after that we can go to the device care option. This one, click on this device care, and here we have to select memory or RAM. Click on it and just wait for a moment. Okay, and if you want to clear the cache or the RAM cache, we can click on clean now. Okay, you have to wait until 100%. All right, and now it's done. And actually there is another method to clear the RAM cache. We can go back and we have to open the app setting. Click on this app setting, and if you want to clear the RAM cache, you can delete cache of each application in your Samsung Galaxy phone. For example, I'm going to clear my Instagram cache. For example, click on Instagram, click on the storage option, and here you just need to click on clear cache to clear the app cache. After you clear the app cache, your RAM cache will automatically deleted or removed. And you can do this one by one on each application in your Android phone. I'm going to give you one more example. I'm going to clear the cache of my YouTube application. Okay, click on the storage, click on clear cache. Alright guys, and that is how basically we can clear RAM cache in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.